Hello, I am Primož Pancher, the owner of a new prefabricated house. My partner and I decided to build a new home 3 years ago. Due to the expansion of our family, we needed larger spaces. Along with the new build, questions arose regarding heating, so we turned to the company Kronoterm. Based on our wishes, and after we explained what kind of house we have and what type of heating we desire, they recommended their first choice, which in this case was the heat pump Adapt. Before making the decision on the heat pump provider, there were 3 providers in the running. The company Kronoterm appeared very reliable in their presentation. They showcased their products and displayed their range. We are very satisfied with the heat pump from Kronoterm. It has been in use for a year and a half, and we have had no issues. We use it for heating sanitary water as well as for heating the house. The house measures 125 square meters. Currently, there are 3 of us living in the house, but we are aware that soon there will be 4. The Adapt heat pump allows for heating sanitary water and space heating. In winter, we have it set to an average of 22 degrees Celsius, while in summer we set it to a yearly mode that only maintains the temperature. Choosing the heating method was the biggest challenge for us. There are quite a few different heating methods available on the market. To make a more informed decision, we consulted acquaintances and colleagues who were building their homes at the same time. Personally, I found the outdoor unit to be the most aesthetically pleasing among all the heat pump providers on the market. The construction and installation of the heat pump went quickly and easily, without major interventions. We installed the outdoor unit on the original Kronoterm concrete base, connected the indoor unit to the system, and performed the startup. The entire construction and installation took 1 day, with the startup the following day. We chose the Adapt heat pump because of its efficient performance, extremely quiet operation, the small indoor unit that takes up very little space in the utility room, and its simple usability. The cloud application is excellent. It provides insight into the operation of the heat pump, showing all temperatures, working pressure, and allows settings when we are not at home, leaving home, and the heating costs. I have been a proud owner of the Kronoterm Adapt heat pump for a year and a half. It heats our 125 square meter prefabricated house, and in one heating season, we spent approximately 160 euros, using about 2,300 kilowatt hours of electricity. The Adapt heat pump has an exceptionally high efficiency, is extremely quiet, and robustly built. For instance, in our case, the outdoor unit is very close to the window of the children's room, but we never hear any disturbing noise. After a year of use, I can confirm that the heating costs are indeed as presented.